Welcome to mixmasterlogicpro. Today we'll be looking at Scared to be Lonely by Martin Garrix and Dua Lipa. So I'll be using LogicPro. And I hope you learned something from this video. So let me pull up my project file. So we'll start off with the kick and the rhythm. So I found this sample on Splice, obviously. I've set the BPM to 138 as you can see, and let's play it. And then I've added the bass line, which goes like this. So I will show you the other parts, the cellos, the orchestra and everything. So this is the stack. And together with the bass, it sounds amazing already, right? Typical Nexus preset. And then I added another preset from Nexus. I did some processing as you can see. So we have added a compressor, a channel EQ, a fat effects, a gain, my favorite Unmatched Accuracy reverb, and together with amplitude 4, it sounds good. So I will be showing you the leads part very quickly right now. These are basically like Nexus presets with some like settings which I have. You can see I've used a compressor, some gain, and obviously my favorite Arts Acoustic. And when you add like this many layers, it makes sense. And together with the drums, it just gives you that groove, you know. And we add the bass. And just like that. And when you add the whole orchestra, I hope you loved watching this because I had fun making this for you. So with the vocals, which I've taken from the original track obviously, because nothing beats that. Wow. I just love this part, it's so energetic. And I have another string layer. I'll play the full song right now. Wow. But this song was really organic because of the live instruments and the orchestra used. It was really challenging at first, but yeah, it sounds very similar now. And yes, if you want, you can download this project file. I have given the link in the description, as well as you can see the first comment. So thank you so much for watching this, and I hope I'll see you in my next video really soon. Till then, take care and make something with LogicPro, and make sure you tag us on your socials.